Hello, we're going to do the video of the Honda 1968 Z50. This bike's been completely restored and ridden a little bit, not much. The motor was rebuilt and everything. So we'll start here walking around. It's got the original white grips with the white plastic levers, 1968 only. No headlight, no tail light, 1968 only. Painted silver fenders. The bike's had about everything replaced, all the cables, with the exception of this one cable. I take that back, the rear cable's not been replaced. But the speedometer has new fork boots, new tires. They're the tractor grip, like the originals. Brand new exhaust, the whole exhaust, which is original Honda. You can see the writing on the tailpipe. In 1968, they just put a baffle in, not a tailpipe. All new foot peg and kickstand, that's all brand new. As I said, the motor has been gone through. I don't know exactly what, but I was told it was rebuilt by the original owner, or not original owner, but the previous owner. The seat has had a replacement seat put on it, walking around. The frame is very, very nice paint. As I mentioned, the new kickstand and foot peg, new chain. There was a repair on the gas tank. The tank was leaking. I had to have it soldered underneath here. It's also been seal coated inside. So it did put a blemish on the paint right there. And again, walking our way around, the triple tree has been all polished. The bars are new. And I think I touched base on everything. This is a really, really nice restoration. New badges as well. I'm going to start it up. It starts very easily. Again, this first year, 1968 only, does not have a key. It has a switch, and that's original to the year 1968. There's just a switch, so you turn the switch on, gas on, and it starts really easy. Choke up. That's a cold start. And let it warm up for a second.